Nze Prosperumu omu ku boogezi ku ddwaliro wano ery'e Kisubi, Kisubi Hospital. Omugenzi Tamale Mirundi badde mulwadde waffe era nga ffe abamujjanjaba obulamu bwe bwonna. Tubadde twafuna omukisa mbu effe eddwaliro mu Uganda yali yeesiga okuba nga limujjanjaba era ffe ffekka nga ne bwafuna ssenyiga ne bwafuna kifuba yeffe ababeerawo agamba bugambi Kisubi nzija. So abadde munnaffe nnyo, tabadde just mulwadde waffe, abadde yava ku kyokuba omulwadde waffe nga yafuuka mukwano gwaffe era nga bw'ajja bw'atuuka wano ku ddwaliro abeera ng'ali ewaka, atambula buli w'ayagala, ng'abasawo abamanyi bulungi bamumanyi. So yatuvudde ku maaso era tusaba Omukama mwoyo gw'omugenzi guwummuze mirembe. Tamale Mirundi abadde muntu afaayo ennyo eri obulamu bwe, nga ye muntu atalinda kulwala. Abannayuganda abasinga tusooka kulinda kulwala n'oggwayo n'olyoka ogenda mu ddwaliro, naye abadde muntu alabirira obulamu bwe atasooka kulinda kulwala, asobola okujja neyeekebeza ne bw'aba ayita buyisi ku Entebbe Road najja n'agamba badde ngenda eri naye tiddeko wano just neekebezeeko ku kano neekebezeeko ku kano. So abadde muntu afaayo ennyo eri obulamu bwe era ekintu Abannayuganda kye balina okumuyigako oba okumujjukirako ate bakiteeke mu nkola y'obulamu bwabwe kwe kubanga bafaayo nnyo eri obulamu bwabwe. Olina okufaayo ennyo eri obulamu bwo. Mwami Tamale Mirundi bw'abadde akikola era ekyo kyo kye kimu ku bintu bye tusobola okumujjukirako, abadde afaayo nnyo eri obulamu bwe. My name is Prosperumu. I am part of the PR team at Kisubi Hospital, and you're very welcome.
Please tell us about the last moments of Tamale.
He spent his last moments here, so by that I can confirm that passed on from here. Yes, and he was quite very jolly. I will not say that he was a very sad man. He was not a sad man. The moments you really remember about him, he was a very joyous person, interacts with our staff, they laugh with him, you know. It would be difficult for him to come around and he fails to move around the hospital. He comes around, he captures videos very well. Some of you follow him on his TikTok, you actually know that he's at Kisubi. So he was a very welcoming person. That's what we can recall about him as a hospital. As a Kisubi Hospital, we've lost a friend. Tamale Mirundi was not just a patient. He was more than a patient. He was actually a friend to us because all his life, it was a public secret. Everybody knew that the only hospital he trusted to look after him whenever he fell sick was Kisubi Hospital. So to us, he became part of the community. Whether he gets a cough, you know, he gets flu, anything small, he would come to us. So it's someone that we got used to. We knew him very well. He knew us very well. That's why whenever he would come around, he would be so free. But his departure really, as a hospital, we feel we've lost a friend because he was more than a patient to us. The late Tamale Mirundi is not the kind of person that would only come whenever he's feeling ill. He's the kind of person who would come to even just do medical checkups, just to know how am I doing. So he was very sensitive about his health. So the one thing that any Ugandan can learn from him is that be sensitive about your life. Look after yourself very well. Okay? Don't wait to get sick for you to get medication. So he was that kind of person. He was very sensitive to his health. He would come in for our clinics just to check and follow up his life, whether he's sick or not. So that's one thing we really encourage Ugandans to learn from him, and always remember, look after your life, don't wait for sick, just like he never did. Yeah. To the entire family and friends of the late Tamale Mirundi, as Kisubi Hospital, we express our heartfelt condolences for your loss. To us, he was more than a patient, he was a friend. So we understand this is a very difficult time for you, just as it is on our end. But our thoughts are with you, the friends and the family. And all we can say right now is that may his soul rest in eternal peace.